Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to be removing and reinstalling the inside liftgate lamp assembly in this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to take this little light out. I'm just going to use a trim tool. We sell this trim tool at 1aauto.com. And on the passenger side, you're just going to slide it in here. Just pry it down, it'll come out just like that. Disconnect the connector right there. There's a little lock on this. Just push down on that and slide it out. Now we're going to reinstall this. Just line it up with the connector, lock it in place. Now, this is going to go towards the driver's side, and then you're going to lock it in on the passenger side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.